Welcome back to T-Mez TV. Just got to the track and we are wing racing down here at Puttnmville. It is a Friday night show thanks to Honest Abe Roofing. I think they just called for armband check, which we don't have. Gotta go get my armband and we'll come check this thing out. Hey, as always, thanks for watching the channel. Get my backpack off here. Check out Don's nice setup. How we doing? How about that smooth glide the one wheel gives you? What's up, Muscles? You got muscles and Mexican.
I know.
I shouldn't say
Tacos
that.
and cheeseburgers, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah, it is almost time for engine heat. Gotta put my safety equipment on and go get some engine heat. It is cold. Fall has set here. It is like 55 degrees. So we just got engine heat. I am in the second group, even though I was a 65 on a draw, but whatever. I gotta go. How'd the car look?
I didn't think that it looked too bad.
I thought it was pretty good.
I mean, it rotated the corner.
Rotated the corner. I was having a hard time. I was kind of having a hard time getting up on the track in 3 and 4, but I was pretty decent in 1 and 2, so. Oh, I don't know. We're winging it tonight. second lap was going to be a ripper, and I drove it off the backstretch. So it wasn't the ripper, but I think they said I was 6th quick overall. I don't know how. I feel like a fish out of water, but I'm flopping around in the right way apparently. So yeah, out here living my best life. I don't even know what to do. Like, should I use the brakes? Leave a comment down below. Should I use the brakes? Should I just like turn left or enter on the throttle? I really don't know. Like, so with the non-wing car, I just flick it and rip it. With the wing car, I feel like brake might be the way to go. I just haven't got there yet. All right, so the track is slicking off. So we went from a 5 off to a 6 off, move it in a little bit. Man, when the wing car's good, you just kind of drive it better, I guess. I really don't know. I'm learning as I go. We start inside 2nd row of the 3rd heat race. The 6th heat race. They got a bunch of heat races, so I'm gonna go watch this first one.
Looks like my handheld camera is kind of glitchy, so I do apologize about that. Sometimes it doesn't work right.
Just got done with the heat race and we transferred. We had to run 3rd to transfer. We ran 2nd. You know, just kind of got lucky there. Guy on the outside front row just didn't go, and I snuck by him. And it's very follow the leader here. Got up, got rolling. We held off 2nd, so pretty solid so far. Place is super slick. So got Nathan Beaver here and John Farrell helping out on setup. Looks like they're slinging some bars, soften the thing up. It was just kind of like, it was down, but it wasn't like getting to the right rear, so we're softening up the right rear, get it sucked in, probably move it in, move the wing up, I don't know. Hey, as always, thanks for watching T-Mez TV. Don't forget to go like and subscribe. Maybe go check out Witt's RC racing products. If you race RC cars, they sell coolers and motors and bearings, ceramic coated bearings, so go check that out. Looks like that might be the dash or the B main. I'm not totally sure, but having a lot of fun, other than it's cold. It's cold. I don't like the cold, so it's a little bit of a stretch for happiness when I'm cold. California kid, you know. All right, so got a special trophy tonight, and I thought it was awesome. And so I'm down here in Kevin's trailer. We're gonna take a peek at the all autograph signed Maverick, the Maverick series. That is pretty cool. Pretty awesome turnout for the first night, right? Do I want to hold it? I think I want to wear it.
You should put it on.
I'm gonna put it on.
Have that for you.
There you go.
Here we go. We got T-Mez being Maverick.
Never.
Check this out. Captain,
that's pretty slick.
Captain T-Mez.
That's pretty slick, right?
Do
there.
Yeah, there it is. That's dope. You ready to take off, sir?
Yes.
You're clear to take off.
Yes, that is crazy. That is crazy.
Yeah.
These come down? Oh, there we go.
Yeah, you can open them.
That feels.
Yeah.
No, that feels proper right there.
That's proper for sure.
Anybody behind me? No. Hopefully there's a lot of people behind me. Then I can come home with this Maverick helmet.
That's gonna be awesome for sure.
That That is a really cool trophy. I love that. It is freezing out. I think it's like 48 degrees. In T-Mez's book, that is cold, but we got the cameras on the car, and we start 12th. So, as always, thanks for watching. We're gonna get out on the track and get some wing footage for you. almost got involved in that. But that moves us up a spot. I think we're up into the top 5, which is amazing for old T-Mez. When I got here, I was excited to just, if we could make the show. Well, now we're racing from 10th, from 12th, we're up to 5th. And I am pumped, but I gotta keep doing good work. Oh, gotta keep doing good work. to make the show, let alone fucking go. Did we get to 5th or was it 6th?
We were battling, we were cockfight for 6th.
Yeah.
But you were up to 4th at one point.
I know, dude. I know. It got just the last restart. It just kind of got bad off of 2.
Hey, what happened to Slide or Die?
What do you mean?
I told you to stay on the dark stuff too much. You stayed up there. You were a Slide or Die guy.
That was fun, wasn't it?
Where was Slide or Die guy?
Blast. Like, dude, that thing would make so much mile an hour on the front stretch, and I had no idea what to do with it. I had no
The
idea what
last
to do
5
with
laps, I was like, fuck, we need to drive a wing car to figure out how to race these guys now.
it. Dude, fucking A. But this thing
You
was
were
a
up to-
hot rod.
Dude, you were up to 4th, and then they just kind of outmaneuvered
Honest, like
you.
I said, the last restart, I kept over driving 1 and then missing
You had
2.
it pinned out one time.
How about that? That is awesome. I am so pumped right now because you know what? I was just pumped to make the show tonight, okay? We started 12th. If we would have ran 12th, I'd still be pumped. But we finished 6th. We were up to 5th, maybe even close to 4th. And that last restart, man, it was just kind of burning the right rear off. Man, I don't know if I was over driving it or if I just moved the wing back too far. Like, the farther I got the wing back, the more it would like drag frame rail. And at the end there, I might have just got myself a little bit tight. Then I had to kind of like overdrive it in the center. I don't really know because my specialty is non-wings. Riding wheelies on street bikes. That one wheel. Wing cars is not my specialty, but getting laps, thanks to Don Whitney. And you know, just one lap at a time, getting more comfortable with wing racing. So, and as always, thanks for watching Team Ez TV. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We are off to Lawrenceburg tomorrow with the non-wing car and back in the midget next week. Thank you so much, Kevin Newton. Go check out Honest Abe Roofing because this is the best purse I've been a part of for a minute.
Yeah. That's why we do it for all these 50s. There's like 10.